some good morning delights. So day 2 of the adventure, and we just ate, and we're gonna go hang out with some more buddies in a minute right now. Now I was recording, but I'm already doing stupid shit. Oh, that's a lot. I guess you're gonna do some wheelies, and I can't, because I can't. I tried before, but oh, look at it. I don't think I want to drop off. Sure, why not? Oh yeah. What happened? Oh, dude, I was talking to the camera and I don't have a microphone on. Hey, ho. Hey. Bonneville stunts. Oh yeah, Bonneville Enduro. Woo. It's too fucking cold. Stadium's pretty cool looking. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh shit. I have to mount my clothing onto the back of this bike, drop it off, and then Uber to the airport. I have to jump this curb. Bonneville. Oh, gotta close the visor, dude. It's too fucking cold. Oh my god. So you guys, this is probably one of the coldest I've ever been. I'm wearing a t-shirt, I'm wearing a hoodie, and then at the top of the hoodie I put on another shirt I brought just in case, and my riding jacket, and and the hoodie is like over my head. It's really fucking cold, especially for somebody in Florida. I'm cold. I don't know how else to put it. Oh, cool looking tunnel. Like, the suspension's really good. Like, you barely feel it. This is a true, almost well-rounded bike that can almost do anything. Almost. A beat up old glove. I'm gonna put that in there. Oh, you mean right here? Sure, whatever. Why not? I'm about to jump this shit right now. News is the Bonneville gets hot and it's warming up my legs. Can you do this? Ah, it really hurt my leg really bad, but it's all worth it because it was fun. Ooh, it's cold. This guy is like, what the fuck? What the fuck are you doing? I like being a little hooligan on a Bono, huh? The hooligan. Bicyclists dismount, do dirt rail. Why? Why would anybody dismount? Oh, for safety reasons, but I'm not gonna. I'm actually gonna do quite the opposite. I'm gonna pop the clutch, let it burn out a little bit. Do it right here too. Oh, nice. Nice scenery. I like it. Still rolling. I gotta keep checking because I'm running out of, I don't know what he just did, but I want to do it too. This bike is happy as fuck. I smell gas. Oh, I'm leaking gas. Why is my gas cap off? Did I forget to close it? I think I did. Yo, it smells like gas. So just get on my pants. Oh, I'm an idiot, dude. Fuck. Yo, that's pretty interesting. I've never seen that before. I mean, I have, but not like, it's kind of cool. What I mean is I don't get to see it every day. I had a feeling they were gonna come up with this. Yeah.
The Let's see what happens.
Oh, surprise! It's a skate park. I'm going for it. I didn't come this far for nothing. Oh shit, it's heavy as fuck, dude. It's mad heavy in there, dude. The wheelbase on this bike is like way too big. What's up? She steers pretty nimble when you want her to be. It's like there's so much potential for this. If they, I wonder if the flat tracker version is so much more like. More hooligan stuff, yeah. Still Grom hooligan. Oh, sorry, I keep thinking I'm on a Grom, not Grom hooligan. Bonneville hooliganing. This is where we're chilling now.
That's where we are right now.
I feel like out.
So this is what I look like right now because it's miserable.
No, they're not. Motorcycles are cool, dude. What the fuck?
More people are gonna show up. Look at my luggage. This is how I have to travel because at 12 o'clock tonight we're gonna be on a plane out of here, but get us a view of the city. Run it out.
Current situation. We're under the bridge because it is cold as fuck. More ground showed up. Ooh. Yeah, it's 7. 8:39ish, I'm gonna start heading out.
Okay, yeah.
So I get to hang out for about another hour or so.
It's cool riding with you, man. I appreciate you coming down.
I'm not gonna be able to give you a hug before I leave, so I'll give it to you now. Oh, it's good hanging out with you, man. We'll do it again soon, dude. Thank you for everything.
I'm gonna be in Miami for sure.
I got your back, dude.
Bombs on the highway.
The highway?
What's that?
We're gonna take over the highway now? Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
You look it.
Yeah, I look totally homeless. So we're saying goodbye to everybody. More people are going to show up, but this is pretty much the end. And it's goodbye for now. Until next time. Well, I just returned the motorcycle. I threw the key inside the mailbox. So, key's on the floor in there somewhere now. Alright. It's really cold. I'm heading back to the airport. I just got an Uber. So, it's time to go. It's so cold still. Oh. Got some tickets, boys. There's my gate. That's the one. Look at this mess. I bought this in some Mexican store, but they're salt and lime, man. They're so good. This airport's really cool because of this. Yeah, not that many airports have that. You know how essential that is? By the time I get home, it'll be 6 a.m. Made it to Thought the sky how weird when I got home. Super crazy.